Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top Rust plugins you need to try in 2025. Number 1. Remote Detonated Explosives. This allows you to place C4, walk away, and detonate it later with a remote. The configurable parameters are: you can limit max distance for detonation, you can adjust initial delay before using the remote, and you can decide how many C4 can be detonated at once. This adds depth and strategy to raiding. Number 2. Wood Shelter. This brings back the old starter shack from Legacy Rust. It's crafted for 1,000 wood, including a sleeping bag and a TC. The limitations are that there's only one shelter per person. You can't deploy a TC if a shelter exists, and you cannot build onto shelters. Players can destroy their shelter remotely via command, and some configurable options are cost, placement restrictions, durability, and damage rules. This is meant only as a temporary foothold while saving up for a real base. Number 3. Sort Button. This is a simple sorting option. It adds a sort button with 2 modes, sort by category or sort by name. This auto stacks everything neatly. It looks like it's already a part of the vanilla UI, so it's clean and unobtrusive. Number 4. Rusty Cuffs. This adds handcuffs mechanics for restraining players or NPCs. You can use it by acquiring the handcuffs, walking up to someone, and holding R to restrain. Once cuffed, you can escort them, search pockets, or execute. It's fully configurable, so you can adjust permissions, handcuffing time, whether NPCs can be handcuffed, and keys can be created to lock and unlock cuffs. This can lead to hostage scenarios, PvP hijinks, or just roleplay fun. And number 5. Player Gravestones. This spawns a gravestone wherever a player dies. Interacting with the stones shows an obituary, who died and what killed them. Some configurable options are: can gravestones spawn in building zones, or how long before despawning. This is a light, fun addition that memorializes deaths in a humorous way.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!